Hariom children, this is 12th standard business maths exercise number 1.1 sum number 3. Solve the following system of equations by rank method. So x plus y plus z equals 9, 2x plus 5y plus 7z equals 52, 2x minus y minus z is equal to 0. Now let us separate the coefficients of these variables alone. So you will get into a matrix form like this: 1 1 1 2 5 7 2 minus 1 minus 1 close bracket, and the variables are x, y and z equal to 9, 52 and 0. So we have written this in the form Ax is equal to b. Now we have to write the augmented matrix. So I'll teach you what is augmented matrix. Take and write matrix A as such: 1 2 2 1 5 minus 1 1 7 minus 1. Along with this, add the matrix B. So you will get 9 52 0. This is called as augmented matrix. Now we are going to reduce the above matrix in row echelon form. Reduce the matrix in row echelon form. Matrix to row echelon, ECHELON. This is a method for finding the rank of the matrix. So reduce the matrix to row echelon form. Now what I am going to do is, I have to make out the after the first non-zero element in first row, these two numbers are there. So these two numbers must be made 0. I repeat again. Leave the first row. Find out the first non-zero element in first row. Non-zero means apart from 0, any number must be there. Okay. So this one is the first non-zero element in row 1. So below this, two elements are there. We have to make these two elements as 0. First row can be written as such: 1 1 1 9. In order to make this element a 0, think of the elimination form what we have studied in 10th standard. Okay, so row 2 must be multiplied by 2 of row 1. When you multiply this by this row 1 by 2, you will get 2, and you have to subtract row 2 minus row 1, then you will get 0. That is R2 is 2 minus 2 into R1. R1 here it is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again, row 2 is 5 minus 2 into R1. 2 into 1 is 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 2 into 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 52 minus 2 into 9. 52 minus 2 into 9 is 18. When you subtract, you will get 34. Next, how will I get R3? Row 3 minus 2 times row 1 again. So row 3 is 2. Row 3 first element is 2. 2 minus 2 into R1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 1 minus 2 into 1, 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 again. 0 minus 9 2s are 18. 0 minus 18 is minus 18. So do the calculation slowly. First sum you will find it difficult. Then if you practice it, you will find it easy only. Now again you have to reduce to row echelon form. That is, first row is over. First element was non-zero, and below that we have made all the elements as 0. Now come again for the second row. Same method will be followed. Second row, first non-zero element is 3. So below that minus 3 is there. You must make that element as 0. Clear, children? So first two rows will be as such. 1, 1, 1, 9, 0, 3, 5, 34. In order to make this element as 0, it is enough if you add both these. 3 minus 3 is 0. So row 2 plus row 3. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. 34 minus 18 is 16. Now let us find what is rank of A matrix. This alone is rank of A. This is the augmented matrix AB. So rank of matrix A is number of non-zero rows. So there is no non-zero rows in this matrix. Is it so or not? All the rows have at least one number. Non-zero zero rows means all the elements must be zeros. Okay. So non-zero rows means at least one element must be a number apart from 0. So here all the elements are numbers. Here also all the elements are numbers apart from 0. Here one element is a number apart from 0. And the second row is two elements are numbers apart from 0. So non-zero rows is 3. So what you will write? Rank of A equal to 3. Next one, rank of the augmented matrix AB. That also number of non-zero rows. How many non-zero rows are there? In a particular row, at least one number is there. So no zeros in no zero elements in a particular row. So the rank of matrix augmented matrix AB is also 3. Now I have to find out what is the value for x, y and z. So for finding the value of x, y and z, I'll take this final augmented matrix which I got. So here these are x elements, these are y elements and these are z elements. So I can equate 2z equal to 16. From the result 1, 1, 1, 9, 0, 3, 5, 34, 0, 0, 2, 16. From the last row, I'll write 2z is equal to 16. So z is equal to 16 divided by 2. Z equals 8. Now take the second row. 3y plus 5z is equal to 34. Instead of z, I can substitute 8. So 5 8s are 40. 3y equals 34 minus 40, where I'll get 6 minus 6 as the answer. So y equals minus 6 divided by 3, y equal to minus 2. And for the last one, x plus y plus z is equal to 9. So x is only I have to find out, plus minus 2 it is y and z it is 8 equals 9. X minus 2 plus 8 equals 9. X plus 6 equals 9. X equals 9 minus 6. X equals 3. So I have got 3 unique values. X equal to 3, y equals 2 and z equals 8. So I have found out the value for the unknowns x, y and z. The value of the unknowns. So x, y, z, I have got the answer. So the result will be the equation has unique solution. Unique solution. That's all about sum number 3 in exercise number 1.1.